What are we doing?
We are on the boat.
Are we on a boat?
Yeah. So we asked the yucky water.
In the yucky water?
Yeah. No. Now you know why I want to get one. Yeah, that's a rubber octopus.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Claire, you have to stay in the boat. Nope, you gotta stay down.
How are you guys doing? Good. It's nice having Daddy back.
Hi, good morning, everyone.
A little salt water in the bottom of the river, fresh water on the top, so lots and lots of fish in here.
That's neat.
It's also monitor lizard weather. It rains in the morning, and then it stops raining. Usually we're going to see some monitor lizards on the trees close to the river, so keep your eyes peeled. Mullet. Lots and lots of good fish to eat here.
Oh, did you?
My deckhand is a highly skilled fisherman, very popular with the public. Over here. Now there's only one guy over there somewhere. Probably dates back to 206 BC. When we come back, you guys can walk around here and take some pictures. There's signs to see, the little signs out there tell you the name of the plants in different languages, like Japanese, Chinese, dirty knees, what are these? English, scientific term, as well as Chomorran and Korean. And you'll hit them.
Hold it up. Aww, that is so cool.
We stopped it a couple times on the way up the river to feed them. Over there, they live with a white rooster too.
Aww.
You'll hear it, it'll come out of the jungle. I don't know how this rooster got over here, but he's living over here.
Stop, Kai.
Reminds me of high school here on the island. Being a minority and all.
Oh, look at the crabbies.
They don't get along too well, the rooster and the crabs, because the crabs are shellfish. And they don't want to share.
That is funny. Oh. Oh, watch out, you guys.
He got one.
He got a fishy. Look.
Man, that's too fast, isn't it? There's guys that spend all day with kayaks and thousands of dollars of equipment don't catch nothing.
He's so cute. Do you like
At
it?
least he's got a whippersnapper, because it's not a real big snapper. It's
good for frying.
All right, come on, guys. Sorry. Sit back down. Can we? Kai, do you want to stand next to the fishy?
No. That is the river
Can you stand right there?
He's got teeth on him like a dog.
Don't touch. He's
He's out there to get some sun this morning because it gets cold during the rain this morning. That's a cold-blooded reptile, just like my ex-girlfriend from Agani High.
Oh.
Yeah, I see him.
You see him? I don't believe you, but that's cute.
They change their skin just like a snake. Snakes change their skin here every 90 days. So you can kind of tell what process he's in. The darker he gets, the more closer he's getting to shed his skin. And then when they get new skin, they're real bright.
You want little baby poodle chihuahua?
You can always tell the difference between wild carabao and somebody's own carabao, because first thing they do when you own a carabao is put that ring in the nose. That's the only thing that will keep the beast under control. Just like that ring you guys get someday when you get married.
Get up here and look.
These fish can walk out of the water to inhabit other lakes and streams.
Just a little fish.
They're different than the catfish in
Not that one, you gotta get them bread.
They're different kinds.
Don't eat it, okay? Little pieces, break little pieces. Yeah, you can break it apart if you want. Here, Claire. Don't eat it, okay?
Don't eat it.
Little pieces. Left or right?
Oh my God.
Sing it out.
Just reach down there and grab one of those fish. That's a noodle.
Break it up a little bit, okay?
The boat makes it go even faster.
You gotta hold it up. Hold it up.
One thing I didn't tell you guys before you get out the boat at the ancient ruins, for your own safety, please don't touch the old latte stones. We ask you that because the capstone's not very stable. If you push on it, you try to climb on it, it could fall over and you might get hurt. So please don't touch it.
day, todos hamzu hoffa day. Hoffa day.
Hoffa day.
Hallo guys, hoffa day.
Hoffa day.
Hoffa day, situ semasa boleh pernah turun YouTube. Bukan sinya, man hallo, lo noni, kosas, latte, isong, noni sagan mami, tadi kosas, banyak nata, wieder hamzu hallo, maila hallo, maila hallo.
Okay, let me introduce you to these guys. That's Lorenzo and Taylor, members of the Louis Town group. What he said is he wanted to thank you guys for coming today. And you're welcome here, but please respect the artifacts left here by his ancestors, like the latte stones and grinding stones and the land. And if you can do that, you can come on in, which is Maila Halo, means come on in.
Maila
Halo.
We were built to last, a permanent high, colliding like the stars in the sky. And I give you my all, but now I see that you could never love me for me.
We live in this valley. Right behind you are our latte stones. They are original latte stones. They have not been moved. They are in their original positions. I'm pretty sure they told you this on the boat. You are free to take pictures with them, but please don't try a replica of what a Chomorran house would look like. Today, this is the structure, and this is how the latte stones would be used. They're also a symbol of strength for the Chomorran people, and also a grave site. People who lived in houses built on latte stones, once they were to pass away, they would bury their dead underneath their house. Okay? So you can tell the difference between a original latte stone and a replica because how it's cut right there. Over here, these latte stones are cut way too cleanly in their shape. As you see, those are really, really rocky. Not as much of a clean shape. Okay. And then also, one of the reasons why so many people lived in this valley is because of this river. Okay. It was good for water, open access to the open ocean. You saw the mouth of the river when you guys were getting on the boat. And then it was also great for food, agriculture. So it's made the soil here very nutritious for a lot of plants and trees to grow here. We have a lot of plants and trees in this, just in this area alone. They use flowers. So if a woman was single, she would put a flower on her right here. She's a miss. If a woman was married or she had a boyfriend, she would put a flower on her left ear. She's Mrs. Now do you guys know what it is if they were to put it on their head? She's a mistake.
I don't wanna give my all, put myself in your hands, to have you let me slip right through your fingers like sand. And I have been so caught up that I didn't even see that you could never love me for me. 'Cause you mold me into something else, change me into what you want. All I ever did was love, and it wasn't good enough. We had tried to make this garden for two, but you had brought the...
What do you want? What did you get?
Moika. Hibiscus? No biscuits. Hi? No. American Joe.
I want to.
Shh, are you ready?
Don't watch. Taste and watch.
Okay, look.
Oh, look.
Did you guys see that? Oh, you guys saw the smoke? Thank you. Finish. Where there's smoke, there is fire. You guys smell? Sorry. I didn't mean. Okay, we want fire.
There you go, Logan. Oh,
1 hour. Okay.
Okay.
Taking 2 hours. But make yourself comfortable.
Okay, no. Look, Betty. Look, Kai.
Smells great.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Ember. Fire.
Daddy.
It smells like you burn. There it goes, though. You see it?
You guys see that?
See it?
No. No.
Logan, you show me. Look at that.
You see that? Oh yeah, that's how we make fire. Was that fast? Was that fast? I did that in slow motion. Okay, next step. We're going to get coconut huts. This is almost like Donald Trump's hair.
Oh!
Okay,
But
now
seriously.
we're gonna get this and we're gonna put it inside.
Look, Betty.
Look, gotta wave it. Look at
Wow, look.
Look at he has the fire on the coconut.
Also, if you guys make smoke in the jungle, it takes away all the mosquitoes. Natural mosquitoes.
Alright, wait a second. We're watching.
It's also like a Chomorran bait.
Here, watch the fire. Oh my God. Look at the fire. You need to sit so we can see.
No, Betty.
Coconut's on fire.
Even though we don't get a flame, it's a good fire start, okay?
We're gonna hear the fire with the coconut. It's on fire.
The sun got a little ember.
Me for me, 'cause you mold me into something else, change me into what you want. All I ever did was love, and it wasn't good enough. We had tried to make this garden for two, but you had brought the cold and the rose.
Where you from?
Huh?
Oh.
Skittles. If you ride that Carabao, you get Skittles.
He's gonna freak out. Kai, do you want to ride? You want to ride the Carabao? Okay.
Oh, you're next. No. You're next. Yeah, okay, now it's time for the Carabao.
Next. All right, go up there, Kai.
You don't go behind.
Look, Kai's like, holy snap. Hold on, please. I guess it's not that far of a drop.
Wait, sweetie. You want to ride on that? Are you scared? I'll ride on it. Make sure he washes his hands before he. Don't touch anything on the ground. Wow.
Hi, buddy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Come touch him.
Come here, baby.
Tommy, you want to pet the piggy?
Come back.
You have to be
Aww.
really gentle, huh?
They are so cute. Come here, piggy.
Isn't it? He kind of feels really rough and prickly, huh?
Don't scare the pig. Come here, baby.
Come here, let's give someone a turn. Addie, did you get a tattoo?
Oh my gosh. I want you. Do you want to come home with me? No. Look at the piggy.
Shave Ice, please make your way up to the gift shop. Also, you find the photos that they took a little earlier on if you're interested. So, once again, thanks for joining us and enjoy the rest of your day.
There's never bloom. bloom. No, the roses never bloom. Something in me told me we'd be walking on thin glass, but I just continued on.